YouTube, welcome to MathX. In this tutorial I will be teaching you a very handy first grade addition strategy. This strategy is counting with your fingers or with tally marks. In this strategy you look at your first number in your equation and put up that many fingers on one hand. Then you look at your second number and do the same with your other hand. Finally, count up all your fingers together to find your answer. Let's try an example. In our example 5 plus 2, we start by putting up 5 fingers on the left hand and 2 fingers on the right hand. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. Let's try another example. 3 plus 3. In this example, we put 3 fingers on the left hand and 3 fingers on the right hand. And now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 6 is the right answer. But what happens when we don't have enough fingers to count our numbers? Well, that's when we use tally marks. When using tally marks, we look at our first number and draw the same number of tally marks on one side. Then we do the same with the second number and draw those tally marks on the other side. Then, to find our answer, count up all the tally marks together. Let's try 6 plus 7. In this case, we draw 6 tally marks on this side and 7 tally marks on this side. Then we count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is our answer. Let's try one last example. 9 plus 3. Now we draw 9 tallies on the left side and 3 tallies on the right side. Now we count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is our answer. And there we have it. Subscribe down below to MathX for more tutorials and make sure to leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.